students, you are most welcomed in ninth class in this new session. Today, all of us will study about modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are verbs such as can, could, may, might, should, must, ought to, have to, has to, had to, and need, etc. These models are used with main verbs to express such ideas as possibility, permission, necessity, and obligation. Use of can. In present tense, can is used to show mental ability and physical power. For example, I can read English. I can break this chair. Use of may. May is used to show possibility in present tense. For example, it may rain any time. My father may come from Delhi today. May is also used to get permission, and it is used to wish anyone or anybody. For example, may I come in, sir? May God bless you. May you live long. Use of must. Must is used to express obligation. For example, you must obey your parents. You must go to school in time. Must is also used to express compulsion. For example, you must answer all questions. Second example, you must return by the evening. And next, use of must. The negative form of must is used for prohibition. For example, you must not come here. Use of should. Should is used to give advice, to express obligation, duty, purpose. For example, you should consult a doctor. You should look after your old parents. Satish worked hard so that he should stand first in the class. And use of ought to. It is used for expressing moral duty and what is the right or sensible thing to do or right way to behave. For example, you ought to get up earlier. Teachers ought not to smoke before students. Use of have to, has to, and had to show or express obligation, necessity. In present tense, has to and have to is used, and in past tense, had to is used. She has to look after her mother. You have to mix the water and the sugar. He had to finish his work before 5 p.m. Use of need. As a modal verb, need is usually followed by an infinitive without to. For example, this is the only thing you need to do. The modal verb need is mainly used in question and negatives, which are formed without do. Need I go now? You need not go. Thank you.